What is up, my guys and girls of YouTube? It's your boy Justin Omoi, and here I am with a video for you guys and girls today, mainly for those who have not had a job or don't have a job, or they're just starting in school, high school, whatnot. They want to work with music. They don't got the way to make money. I'm here to help you guys and girls on how to make money or invest your way into making money. All right, this is something that you guys and girls probably don't care about. All right, you see $50, you say, hey, let's buy a game, for the PS4 or PS5, whichever is out right now. That gotta wait until you make a lot of money where you can actually, treat yourself. That's the word. But yeah, I want to talk to you guys and girls about how to make money, and yeah. Some of you guys and girls suck at having a job. Some of you guys and girls may like it. You may love it. You may just make a lot of money from it. I don't know. What I do know is that in the end, the ultimate goal is to do what you love what you do, and make money from it. I'm halfway there, or I'm there, but I gotta be even more there. But the way I started first to make money was pretty cool. This microphone right here in my hand, the Samson G-Track, if it focuses. This Samson G-Track was the first microphone that I had that, I was able to work with. And I was able to make the money through 3 different ways. One was save up every little dollar I got from my parents, whether it be a holiday or my birthday. If I had money, I remember the most I got was like $35 or $40 within that whole journey of making money to get that microphone. By the way, the microphone was like 130, 150, I can't recall, but it was around that range. The second way was from finding money on the floor, picking it up, pocketing it, and saving, like I just said. I was somebody who walked home from school every single day. I went to school every single day. I didn't skip or no. Kids were always running shit, drop their money, drop the quarters. I would be in the back picking it up, laughing to the bank like ha ha ha. But yeah, that's one way. Quarters, dimes, nickels, anything. You pick it up, you make money. And the last thing, which was probably the biggest thing, which I never reflected on, but when I look back at it now, that's probably where I got my traits, or my thought process, was from trading, selling cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I would do homework for my friend, and he would give me a rare card that he had. I don't know how he got those cards. Probably, bought it on eBay for cheap or some shit. I don't know. But I got it from him by doing his homework, and I sold those cards to my other friends and made a profit from it. These cards right here are Pokemon. Pokemon cards in my hand, like these, right here. But some of them are super rare, like this shit right here. This one right here, people would buy for like $60. And I pulled it out of a box that I paid $40 for, people would buy rare cards. And that's exactly what I did. I sold it to them for a price that they would want, like $12, $14.75. Yes, I included cents at that time. I thought in the process of my mind, like, they got money to buy lunch. That's what, they do. Thankfully, my mom worked at the cafeteria, still does. But yeah, they would have like $5. They would spend money on cookies for 50 cents, $1 or something. And I would be there before they would buy it and be like, yo, look at this good ass card I got. I want to buy it. Meteor B Dragon, Dark Paladin, whole bunch of good shit. Oh, original Blue Eyes, the Blue Eyes with the tablet behind them, or the world behind them. That shit was cool. I think I still got the tablet one. But yeah, that's how I made my money, was from trading and whatnot. And as the days go on, I learned I could have made money way better or way faster with doing things like services. I had a friend in my neighborhood that made money from driving a lawnmower, or not driving, but pushing lawnmower, cutting people's grass for like $10 or $5, or things of that nature. And he drove off with an Escalade, and I'm over here like, damn, man, he's only 18, 16. Yeah, 16, around that age. I know it's been like 5 or 6 minutes, but I just wanted to tell you guys and girls about my history. So, you got a little bit of standing ground to understand what I'm about to tell you right now. And that is, there is ways to make money without having a job or wanting a job. Obviously, the best way is to do some music stuff like selling beats and whatnot. But if you're somebody who doesn't have the equipment, or heck, the software or a computer, you can always start with little things that could grow into bigger businesses or bigger steps. The easiest or the simplest thing that I could think of for you guys and girls is actually to buy seeds, like tomato seeds, basil seeds, any type of little seeds or plants, and actually grow it. All right, and by growing it, you could sell them. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that right here. But I got a dish right there. I'm about to put some plants in there, like marigold and jalapeno and basil seeds. That's the little black ones, tiny ones. But yeah, morning glories, things like that. People would buy like for $5 at the store. Basil plant, you know, one little basil plant. I know people got aloe plants, little baby aloe plants like this. They sell for $5. You know how much that I got in my backyard? So much. 8 times 5, 40. If you got 8 aloe plants and you sell them for $5 each, that's $40. Or if you want, you could drop it down $1 or $2 and still make a profit. You know, all those seeds that you saw just now on the plate, they all came from flowers, from blooming, from seeds that are already planted. So they reproduce their own money. You know, to put it in a economical way, they produce their own money. Yeah, $1 for tomato seeds. You get like 72 seeds or so. Get a seed starter kit. Some are like $2 or $3. Everyone got at least $5. Don't lie to me, all right? Water, it's free. It's everywhere. It's in the sky. It's in your toilet. Everywhere. Just water the things. Make them grow. People at Walmart sell it for $5, like I said. Maybe you could find some people around your block that would buy it for like $2, $3. I don't know, but either way, if you sell, you know, like $5 worth, that's like maybe 1 or 2 plants, you made your money back to be able to recycle into your selling business, where you could buy more seeds, grow more plants, sell them, or, you know, have one of the tomatoes produce a fruit, and then you take that fruit or vegetable, whatever it is, and you make seeds out of it. You know, just take the seeds out, plant those, you got more resource. That's one way you can make money, by growing plants, selling them. But once you're able to make money from the small little things, literally from dirt, you can upgrade yourself into other things. You know, some people would take the car route. They know how to work with cars, or they know how to cut grass. Let's just say grass or lawn work or grass cutting. That makes a good amount of money too. There's a lot of people, especially where I live in Florida, they don't want to stand out there in the sun and cut. For me, I could deal with it. I cut my grass, you know, every single week. I'm used to that shit. Or, for example, I'll show you right now. Look at my neighbor's shit over there, where the papaya trees are. I know my window's dirty. It's from spray paint. You see over there, that fence is broken. You know, some people won't bother with it. You, on the other hand, you could go to that neighbor over there and be like, hey, I see your fence is broken over there. I did not break it myself. Nature did it. Do you want me to help fix it for, like, I don't know, $10 profit? You know, they buy the little wood things, or they give you the money to buy the wood, or you buy the wood first and they'll give you the money for it. You go over there, you take the hammer, knock it into the ground. I know there's more work to it, like cementing staffs and shit, but don't worry about that part. But yeah, basically repair a fence. I don't know, make good profit from it. I know I said $10, but maybe, you know, they'll give you more, like 20, 30. I don't know. It's just something that you could easily do that they don't want to do because it's an inconvenience, because heat. You could do it. All right, you could put in the work, get the money from them. If you want to take it a step even further, if you know about cars or know how to fix people's cars or maintain their cars, tune up their cars, you could do that. There's things like if you know how to cut hair or want to learn how to cut hair, you could do that. I got a cousin that knows how to cut hair. He grew his business off of it. There's so many things. Something simple as, you know, doing caricatures or something. That's like drawing art. If you want to do art, you could do that. You could draw a caricature for people in school. Be like, hey, you want me to draw a caricature of you for like $5? I don't know. Some people would do it. Some people love it, you know. Just draw it. Here you go, $5. $5 you get in your pocket. Thank you. You can even sell your own stuff that you don't use anymore, you know. Like if you bought a book, you read it, and you don't want to read the book anymore. You're done with the book. You want to give it to someone else. You know, sell the book for like $5 again. And all these little amounts that I'm speaking or spitting, eventually they'll build up in a great way where you can make money. Learn to basically do service or be able to make a way to make money. There's so many different opportunities that you could do that most people wouldn't do or don't want to do because they're lazy or they're perhaps scared to go about it, to execute the plans, you know. You could build a garden bed for the old lady down the street that can't even lift a finger. What I want you guys and girls to do is look around. Just look around your neighborhood and see anything that's like, you know, imperfect or something you could fix, you know. Mold on somebody's house, you could water pressure it. Things of that nature. Anything. Painting, building shit, all that. And in the end, when you look at it, you know, buying and selling plants is way better than buying, I don't know, Fortnite pack for $10, a season pass, and all you do is sit down and play, and it eats your time up, you know. It's like, shit, I'm like level 54 or 52 in there, you know. I mean, there's ways you can make money with the games, or I don't know, if you buy shoes for $120, wait a year and then sell it for more because it's rare. I don't know. There's a lot of ways you can make money, and yeah. That's all I wanted to say to you guys and girls. Weed is not the only option to sell. You know, you could get in trouble for that, so I don't advise you to do that. But yeah, guys and girls, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys and girls about today. There's ways to make money everywhere. Find the opportunity and strike at it if you want to be able to make money and, you know, buy music equipment and then work with music and invest yourself off of that. Yeah. Thank you guys and girls for listening. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, by the way. If you stuck to the end, I love you guys and girls to death. And yeah, my name is Justin Omoi. There's so much more I could talk about, but I don't want to take your time up. And yeah, peace. I'm out.